All right. So we're gonna do a prone shoulder car. All right. We're gonna place the mat under our stomach so that our lower back is in a better position, so we're not hyperextending. When we set up on this, I want the toes tucked, knees locked. The forehead can go on the forearm of the arm that we're not working. All right. We're gonna stab the fist into the floor. All right. We're gonna try to almost keep the elbow locked and drag that shoulder down away from the ear first. And then we're gonna lift, internally rotate as much as we can. Keep trying to internally rotate as we continue the circle. Lifting away from the floor, finish with the back of the hand next to the hip. And then we're gonna go into as much action as possible. We're gonna get stuck. And then we're gonna open the key back up. Then we're gonna bring it all the way back and around. All right. Woo. Next one, sleeper stretch. Sleeper stretch, sleeper tail rail, whatever you want to call it. So our setup on this one, kind of have the yoga block or pillow, whatever you want. You want the arm in line with the rest of the shoulder. Stab the elbow into the ground. See how much internal rotation you currently have. You're gonna hold here for about 90 seconds. Okay, after that 90 seconds, I want to drive this arm into this hand, slowly ramping up. Think 25% roughly, then ramp up slowly to 50% effort, ramp up slowly to 75, and when we get to 100, we'll hold 100 for about 5 seconds. When that's up, I'm going to try to drive away from this hand, okay, as hard as possible, creating a bunch of tension. And then whatever space I just created, I'm then gonna place my hand back after holding it there for a few seconds, and then we're gonna repeat, okay? So we'll drive into that hand again, drive, and then we'll pull down a little further, all right? There you go, CCG. A shoulder car is putting the joint through a full range of motion, isolating the shoulder and isolating all the muscles that help stabilize the shoulder, and keeping that scap down. And then we're trying to rotate, okay? And then reversing that into outward rotation, okay? And then for the sleeper stretch, the benefit of this one is to get gain as much internal rotation as possible, so that when we're doing any kind of exercise or activity that requires us to get internal rotation, our joint now knows how to stabilize in that new position that we find.
All right, so that was my session. Was just cardio today and some shoulder rehab. My man, tell him what you just did.
French contrast training, upper push, upper pull, bilateral for both of them. A1, flat barbell bench, 215 to 225, 3 reps. Immediately followed by clap push-ups. Immediately followed by med ball chest pass. And immediately followed by assisted plyo push-ups.
All right.
Afterwards, weighted pull-ups, PLYO pull-ups, or hand release, sled pulls, sled rows, power rows.
All of that is going to be down below.
6x3, baby.
6x3s.
6x3.
6x3s. Yo, hit them up.
Hit me up.